Universal socket, a handy tool for everyday use. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and practical term, universal socket. This phrase might be new to some of you, but it's quite common in everyday conversation, especially when discussing tools and hardware. So, let's dive in and understand what a universal socket is and how it's used in English. A universal socket is a type of tool used in mechanics and DIY projects. Unlike regular sockets that fit only one specific size of nut or bolt, a universal socket is designed to adapt to a variety of shapes and sizes. This makes it extremely versatile and useful for various tasks. The key feature of a universal socket is its adjustable pins. These pins move to match the shape and size of different nuts or bolts, providing a secure grip. In English, the phrase, universal socket, is quite straightforward. Universal means something that applies to all cases or is usable in every situation. A socket, in this context, refers to a tool used for gripping or turning nuts and bolts. So, when we say universal socket, we're talking about a socket that can be used universally on many different types of nuts and bolts. Let's see how to use this term in everyday English. 1. I need a universal socket to fix this bicycle. The nuts are all different sizes. 2. My dad loves his new universal socket. It's so handy for home repairs. 3. Can you pass me the universal socket? I can't seem to loosen this bolt with the regular ones. These examples show how the phrase is commonly used in conversation, especially in contexts related to repair or construction. While universal socket is the most common term, you might also hear adjustable socket, emphasizes the ability to adjust to different sizes. Multi-fit socket highlights its compatibility with various nuts and bolts. That's all about the term universal socket. I hope this video has been informative and has added a useful term to your English vocabulary. Remember, a universal socket is not just a tool in a toolbox, but it's also a great example of how English combines words to create new meanings. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting English language content. Stay curious and keep learning.